Hello and welcome to our review and demonstration of the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker. If you're someone who loves rice and wants to achieve perfectly cooked rice every time, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at this high-end rice cooker and sharing our thoughts on its performance, features, and overall value for money. We'll also be demonstrating how to use the rice cooker, so you can see just how easy it is to achieve perfectly cooked rice. The CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker is a high-end cooking appliance that promises to cook perfect rice every time. This rice cooker has a sleek and modern design that will complement any kitchen decor. It is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. The rice cooker has a capacity of 6 cups of rice, which is perfect for small to medium-sized families. One of the standout features of the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This technology allows the rice cooker to adjust the cooking temperature and time. The CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker is very easy to use. Simply add the desired amount of rice and water, and the rice cooker will take care of the rest. The rice cooker also has a non-stick inner pot, which makes cleaning up a breeze. Another great feature of the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker is its multi-cook function. This function allows you to cook other types of dishes, such as soups and stews, in addition to rice. The rice cooker also has a delay timer, which means you can set it to start cooking at a later time, so your rice will be ready when you are. That concludes our review and demonstration of the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in making a decision about whether or not to purchase this high-end rice cooker. In our opinion, the CUCKOO CRP-P0609S rice cooker is an excellent investment for anyone who loves rice and wants to achieve perfectly cooked rice every time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.